What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Bit different to what I usually review. We've got some Jordans. This box is a bit different. I kind of like it, but a lot of people hate me talking about the box, so we'll just make it brief. So it's got like elephant type print, concrete splatter, whatever you want to call it, green Jordan logo and flight scribbled on. Into the logo, so it's the Air Jordan 4 RM, black, light bone, dark grey, UK 10. We'll get straight into the shoe. As always, you got the Jordan 23 paper, and we've got the shoe, the Jordan 4 RM. So these are Marmite, meaning you either love them or you hate them. Some people love them. I hate them, I'm sorry to say. It's personally not for me, but if it's for you, you know, shout out. I just don't like the way they are. I tried them. This is me trying them. Not the biggest fan, to be honest. I'll go straight through the colours and then we'll discuss it further. So the sole, we've got the standard Jordan 4 sole. I've already got marks on it, lovely. In that like bone colorway, sail beige colorway. Then we've got black bits, and then we've got a Jordan logo, standard Jordan 4 sole, again with the beige and stuff. That wasn't even me. That's just QC, man. This is one of the reasons I don't even buy Jordans much, because QC. But yeah, on the back it's got the Nike Air, which we all love, with more bad QC. Look at that. I'm not happy with that. These are going back. Then we've got the little tab. Some say bike. Yep, they have the bike thingy there, the little bike logo. And then yeah, Nike Air with the little Jordan sign. We've got a bit of smooth leather, and then we've got a lot of rubber all on here with the lace. We've got quite a thick padded insole, which is insole, collar, etc., which is quite similar to the Jordan 4. We've got some mesh, and then we've got a lot of suede wrapping around the toe. A lot of suede. That's a lot of suede. It's one big piece of suede, and then we've got leather on the toe box again, quite soft leather, and then we've got suede. We've got a mesh tongue, and then we've got the logo on the tongue, which is beige, and it's just a tab which says flight with the Jordan logo. Then on this side it's basically the same thing, leather, mesh, plastic, and then that big old piece of suede. But yeah, this pair I got quite cheap. You can find these quite cheap. Don't pay retail for these, please, people. Don't pay retail for these. They did have a tab which just has a little warning. If you want to read it, just pause now, and then you can just read that quick. They also come with extra laces, which are grey. Personally, I don't even like these laces because they're not the same as those. So these are a bit puffy, like a padded lace, and then the extra laces is like a flat thin lace, which I think probably won't suit, but I don't know. But yeah, I don't really like the shoe, to be honest. On foot it's a bit better, not the best for me, you know. It's all about preference, and these aren't my preference, people. A lot of QC issues as well, random stuff which I'm not happy with, and yeah, not really my cup of tea. Some people do like them. I think the all black version looks better anyway. There's some colorways which look quite decent, but I'm staying away. Tried them, don't like them. It's all good. But yeah, you'll see an on foot video in a few moments, just to show you what they look like on foot. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I also put an on foot video separate, as I always do. Just go through all the videos, watch them all, my people. Support the channel, let's grow. And yeah, I'm not going to ramble on too much more. Take care, my people.